by Isabel Maricose, Ilse, and Eduardo Prado, and we're going to explain the different ways to derive different problems.
This is the problem number 2, and in this equation we need to derive all the problem. The first step is to pass the 2, multiply the 3x, and subtract 1 to these 2. Then we need to derive this one, and it's 1 over 4 because the x don't have any number here, and we need to put 1. Then we need to multiply this one and plus 1 over 4, and this is the answer.
Now we are going to resolve this problem that is the number 9. And first we know that this is the letter U and this is the B. And first we have to derive the cos, that is cos x is equal to minus sine x. Then we have to derive the other, that is sine x plus cos x equal to cos x minus sine x. Now we have the derivative, so we have to use this formula. We have to use this formula, so we're going to change the values in this form. We have to put the b, that is sine x plus cos, multiplied by the derivation of u, that is this one, this is the u. This one, that is minus sine x. Minus, and then we have to put the u, that is cos x, and multiply by the derivation of v, that is cos x minus sine x. Then all we have to divide it by the b, elevate to the power of 2, that is sine x plus cos x, elevate to 2. And now we have to multiply that with the next step, that is minus sine 2x minus cos x sine x minus cos 2x minus cos x sine x divided by this. And then we have to resolve this, that is minus sine 2x minus cos x sine x minus, no, is plus, first is minus because minus per plus is minus, cos 2x, and then minus and minus is plus, plus cos x sine x, and then divided to sine x plus cos x all power 2 of 2. Then we can eliminate this because it's equal, so we have a minus and then plus, so we can eliminate, and the result is minus sine 2x minus cos 2x divided sine x plus cos And this is the result.
This is the problem number 16, and to resolve we need to derive with this formula. That is to resolve the e over on the power of u. That is in this case, because we need to remember that this is the e and this is the u. So in the formula says that e to the power of u is this, but we need to derive the u, so that is 2 minus, and we repeat the same thing, that is e to the power of 4 over x, and we need to derive this that is the u. But in this case, if the x is over, we need to derive to have the correct derivative of the u. That is 4 over x. That is in the problem, and it is 4x to minus 1 because we move the x over to the top, and this we need to multiply by the 4, so is minus 1. We need to subtract minus 1, so is minus 1 minus 1. The next step is multiply this, so it's minus 4x minus 2. But we can't say the x negative, so we pass over. That is minus 4 over x to the power of 2. This is the derivative of the u of this part. The next step, we need to multiply. That is takes 2e to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 4 over x to the power of 2 multiplied by e and to the power of 4 over x, and this is the result. This is the problem number 23, and to resolve this equation, the first step we need to derive these two, and remember that this is the u and this is the v. So the first step is the 3 has to the front, multiplying 2x minus 1, but in the basic formula we need to subtract 1, so it's 3 minus 1. It stays 3 multiplying 2x minus 1 to the power of 2. But also we need to derive what is inside of the parentheses, so it's 2. The next step, you need to multiply these two for the 3, so it's 6 and parentheses 2x minus 1 to the power of 2. This is the derivative of the u. And to derive the v, and the x is alone with not numbers, so the derivative of x is 1. This is the first step. The next step, we need to use this formula. This says that this is the v multiplying the derivative of u minus the u multiplying the derivative of b. So the b is x multiplying the derivative of u, that is 6 multiplied by 2x minus 1 to the power of 2 minus the u, that is 2x minus 1 to the power of 3 multiplying the derivative of b, that is 1 over the b to the power of 2, that is x of power of 2. The next step, we need to multiply each parenthesis, so is 6x parenthesis 2x minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 2x minus 1 to the power of 3 over x to the power of 2. The next step, we need to multiply and subtract, so is 2x minus 1 to the power of 2 multiplying 6 minus parentheses 2x minus 1 over x to the power of 2. And this is the first step of this problem.
Now in the problem says that x is equal to 1, so we have to change this x for the number 1. Is 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 for the power of 2 multiply 6 for 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1. Then 1 and the power of 2. Then we are going to multiply, and it is 1 multiplied by 5 over 1. Then is 5 over 1, and the result is 5.
This is a problem number 3. The first thing we need to do is search the formula for this problem. The formula we're going to use is u derivate over u. The first thing we need to do is derivate this number, that is 2x. The derivative of this one is going to be 2. These 2 is going to pass multiplicating the 3. It's going to be a multiplication, and the result is 6. This one is the u derivative. So we're going to do 6 over u, that is 2x. This one, we can divide it. It's going to be 3 over x. Then, the next part is put the 0.5 on the x's. So, we're going to put 3 over 0.5. The result of this is going to be 6. And that is the result of all the equations.